Well, hello there, fellow travelers. Let's get packing for a 2 weeks winter trip. All this will go into my tomtoc 40-liter backpack, but I do have a secret weapon, the brand new tomtoc packing cubes. And they just arrived in the mail yesterday and I could not be more excited. I just took them out of the packaging and I mean, they are so different than all the packing cubes that I used in the past. Tomtoc has designed them so that they fit perfectly into the Navigator Backpack, which is the one that I have waiting over there. By the way, if you are new here, my name is Vicky. I love to review everything travel related, especially good luggage and awesome packing cubes. And I always travel light because, I mean, it saves me so much money on airline fees because tickets with carry-on only are always way cheaper. I get in and out of the airport so much quicker, I don't have to wait for my luggage. And last but not least, when you are at your destination, you can focus on exploring rather than thinking, what am I gonna wear today? Because you already pre-planned everything and then it literally takes me 10 seconds to decide what am I gonna wear. And by the way, if you also want to be perfectly prepared for your next trip, I do have a free digital guide that's linked down there in the description. It includes a lot of tips about how to travel light with only a backpack. And it also has a free packing list in there. And if you want to take it one step further, I also have a getaway planner, which is interactive, which is absolutely awesome. I developed this with a friend of mine. You can enter your hotel details, your flight details. It has a budget tracker. It has an interactive packing list. It has everything. I will link that in the description as well, and with that you will be perfectly prepared. Alrighty, and now let's get packing. So this is the Tomtoc Navigator 40-liter travel backpack. So this backpack has already proven to be the perfect one-bag travel backpack. I actually used the black one, like my previous model, for my around-the-world trip last year. And I mean, no regrets. It was perfect, the perfect size. I even had some space left in there. And I used one of my old travel compression cubes back then as well and put all my clothes into one. But now I will once again go back to Austria for Christmas to see my family. And yes, the plan is to bring only this one backpack, even though I will bring gifts as well, which I don't have yet. So we need to leave a little bit of room in there as well. But is it actually possible to fit all this into this backpack? We will find out together. I am very optimistic. So let's talk about the new Tomtoc compression packing cubes. They come in a pack of 3. They are called T02 and they are definitely very different. I've seen many compression packing cubes. I've reviewed many here on my channel. The first thing that I noticed is that they are super light, which of course comes in handy because here in Australia, if you travel with a low-cost airline, you have to stay under 7 kilos, sometimes under 8 kilos, and with a few nicer ones, maybe under 10 kilos. But let's just put it that way. Also because you don't want to carry a very heavy backpack. The lighter, the better. So this is the goal here. And I mean, the fact that those compression packing cubes don't add to the weight, that definitely helps a lot. So we've got an 8-liter version. There it is. Also, the material is so nice and the little details, like those zippers, they're called YKK zippers. They are super strong and you can also just tear it open like this. If you quickly want to get into your packing cube, if you need to grab something real quick, then they've got a handle so you can grab the entire packing cube real quick from your backpack. But hear me out, here's the real game changer, what really sets them apart. Because when you travel, you sometimes don't just have like one destination that you go to. Sometimes you have several destinations along the way, which means that you have to unpack and then repack several times, which also means dirty laundry. And do you really want your dirty laundry to touch your clean laundry? I mean, I certainly don't. So Tomtoc found the perfect solution. There is an extra pouch here on the bottom that does not connect with the inside here. See, there is like a layer here in between. So that means you can put your dirty laundry here on the bottom, zip it up, and then here from the top, that would still be your clean things. And again, there's a divider in there. I really think this is the perfect solution. And the volume of the packing cube always stays the same. Like it might fill up with dirty clothes, so it will go further to the top, but they will never touch your clean clothes that are still remaining in there. So also it is breathable, or is it breathable? I don't know. But I mean, your clothes can breathe. It's like a little bit see-through. I don't know if you can see. And also the packing cube is washable. I mean, I love it. And then we've got the 10-liter version, and this is the compression packing cube. Oh, and this has an inside pouch. I just found that in there. you can put some small stuff in there. I love it, and I mean, again, the material, it just feels so nice. Same awesome zippers, of course. And then from the bottom, unzip it when you pack it. Now it is a 15-liter packing cube. So now we're gonna pack all the bulky items in this packing cube. And then in the end, we will compress it and it will make it nice and small and it will fit perfectly in my backpack. At least that's the plan. Let's see if it really works like that. So this is what I'm packing. One sweater vest, then one long sleeve button-up sweater. That's actually quite nice and warm. Black skinny jeans. Several tops for layering. Most importantly, my Uniqlo long sleeve thermals. They are awesome. Then we've got workout clothes. Here's my top. Here are my workout leggings. We've got 3 pairs of socks, 6 pairs of underwear, and then of course long pajamas. And the top is just a t-shirt that I could also wear if I'm running out of clothes. All right, here we go. Let's zip it up and let's compress it. I will put the workout clothes and my undies and my socks into the 8-liter one. But this is like all my bulky stuff in here. I should probably cut the tags off. It tells us about the warranty. Worry less, enjoy more, unveil 2-year warranty. But I mean, I do think they will last you like a lifetime probably. And this talks about the YKK zippers that are awesome. But let's test the zippers. Oh, this is so easy. Actually, if you just put it upside down, everything will fall towards the bottom. It will be even easier to zip it up. Super easy. I could probably have put in another sweater, but yes, I'm also gonna wear a sweater on travel day, so there will be one more anyway that I don't have to put in here. Easy. That was so easy. Amazing. And look how nice the shape is. Shall we put this in the backpack? Why not? So let's see if they really fit as perfectly. By the way, if you want to know all about the tomtoc Navigator Backpack, I do, of course, have a full video here on this channel. I will link it down there in the description so you can see exactly how awesome the backpack is. But for now, just trust me that it is awesome. Let's see how the packing cubes fit. The moment of truth. OMG. I love it so much. I love being organized and I love having everything neatly in its place. And I mean, look how perfectly this fits. Absolutely love it. So this will be on the bottom because it's the heaviest. And now let's put everything else into the 8-liter packing cube. This is so much fun, you guys. I'm really enjoying this, I have to say. I have normal undies. I will put them in here first. And I also have the Uniqlo thermal long underwear. And yes, they are an absolute must-have for winters, like serious winters with snow, where it's cold. Everything fits easily. I might put my gloves in here as well. There's still so much room in there. But you know what? You never know if you will go shopping on your trip. So it's always good to have a little room in your backpack and in your compression packing cubes. Let's add that in. Let's see how it fits. Perfect to have the handle on top because you can grab it and easily get it out if you need to. This is so satisfying. Isn't it satisfying how it sits in there so perfectly? See how much room there still is on top. This is where we can use the small packing cube. And by the way, you can also attach a strap and make it into a sling bag, a super light sling bag. Love it. So this is super versatile. You can just use this for your toiletries. I do have my clear toiletry bag that I always use. So I might just keep using this toiletry bag. And this is like for additional little things, like I think I will just use this as like a tech pouch and put like cables and chargers and everything in there. But I mean, if you want to use this for socks and undies, I mean, anything goes really. But I think it's nice to have your tech stuff and everything in there. I will probably add some more small things in there. But for now, let's just put this on top. And there you have it. And there is still more than enough room for my toiletry bag. Just put it in like this. And On the very top, I will put my tote bag. It's always good to have a tote bag. By the way, I made this myself. It might still be available in my Etsy shop, actually, if you are also a tortoise lover like me. But I'm about to shut down my Etsy shop because, yeah, that's a whole different story. It just costs me more than it makes me money, so there's really no point. But I mean, I did go shopping in my Etsy shop, and I love my tote bag. And I mean, it will go on top here. And again, there is still so much space in there, which is amazing. And then, of course, you've got so many compartments here on the outside of the backpack as well for small stuff, like my hand warmers. It's one of those things, you know, with that, I don't know how they work, but like you click the metal parts in there and it heats up and it keeps your hands nice and warm. Much needed in winter. I will put that here in the top compartment because yes, there are many compartments. Again, it's all in my tomtoc Navigator Backpack review video. This fits easily. Actually, let me put my glasses in there as well because there are sunny days in Austria, even in December, so you never know. Of course, I always travel with my Revolut card, not sponsored at all. It's just awesome, not only because you can customize it, and of course, I've got a tortoise on my card, but also because it gives you the best exchange rate and you're not going to be charged foreign transaction fees. So, absolute game changer. I love it. Again, not sponsored, but I do have a link for you guys if you also want to sign up. And I mean, it's only going to save you money. But for this, actually, I will use my little tomtoc sling bag. Let me get it. Yes, so I will have this. It has traveled with me far and wide. And most importantly, it has one of those RFID safe pockets in there. So, I mean, you can never be safe enough. So this is exactly where my Revolut card will go. Then you zip that up and it's all on the inside. It is super safe. And then this will be with me all the time. My passport, my tickets, everything will be in there so that I can access it quickly. This is gonna be on my back, but we are not completely done. We also have my water bottle. Because yes, you obviously do wanna stay hydrated when you are on a long haul flight. So this easily fits here on the side. By the way, it's my Binyanda water bottle. You've seen it a million times. And yes, it's a thermos as well. So it will keep your water cold or your tea hot. I mean, you could not ask for more. And it looks nice. And it fits in here perfectly. And then we've got my laptop. And yes, there is a separate laptop compartment here in the back. So you can access it really quickly, get your laptop in and out. In it goes. So I can also work on my trip. So now let's find out if my backpack is still under 7 kilos. Fingers crossed, I'm gonna weigh it now. By the way, this scale comes in super handy. I bought that on Amazon quite a while ago. If I find it, I will link it in the description if you want one too. All right, the moment of truth. OMG, 6.3 kilos only. Even with my heavy laptop. And I'm not quite sure yet if I'm gonna bring my laptop for that winter trip. But I mean, if I want to bring it, I can. But now I am actually curious because I also have the tomtoc 28-liter backpack. Can we fit all this into the 28-liter backpack? I mean, let's try. I mean, yes, it does look much smaller, but I mean, the tomtoc compression packing cubes are designed to fit into both backpacks. So let's see if that's true. Let's start with the big one here on the bottom. Oh, it does fit. Yes, yes, yes. And the smaller one. Oh, it's such a perfect fit. Yes, it absolutely does fit. It even fits the small one as well. Even though in the pictures that I saw on the website, they do not add the small one on top. But I mean, you can. It fits. Look at it. Can I even fit my toiletries? Oh my God, it does fit. And then we top it up with a tote bag. Is this all that was in the main compartment? Yes, it was. I mean, look at it, you guys. I did not think this is gonna fit, honestly. But it does so easily. And still there is also room in there. So I could use this for a winter trip as well. And by the way, just to clarify, because I'm saying I'm going on a 2-week trip, yes, I'm of course gonna have to do laundry. That's the one downside. But if you're staying somewhere where there is a washing machine, then it's absolutely not a problem. And if you're staying in a hotel room and you don't have a washing machine, yes, you would have to go to a laundromat. But I mean, just grab a matcha while you wait, read a book, and I mean, it's going to be an experience. But yes, it's definitely going to be necessary if you travel for like 2 weeks with the 28-liter backpack. But I cannot believe that everything fits in here. Oh, does my laptop also fit? Oh my God, it does. So this really blows my mind. And it is so perfect and it fits so nicely and there's still room in there. And then of course you can compress the backpack with those straps. And I mean, for those super strict airlines, you know, when they really measure everything and like try to make you pay extra, well, they can try, but they will not succeed with the 28-liter backpack. I mean, look how small you can make it. So I mean, I could totally travel with this one. Let's also put the water bottle in here. Also fits easily. And of course it has the sternum strap that I love. There you go, with the 28-liter backpack. Those packing cubes are the perfect addition to your Navigator backpack. So I mean, I have to say, those packing cubes are not only very reasonable, I think they are around $50, if I'm not completely mistaken. But yes, I will link them, of course, in the description. I will also put the link up here. And while they are made to fit perfectly into your Navigator backpack, whether you have the 40-liter or the 28-liter, I mean, of course, you can also use them in your suitcase. I mean, they would fit anywhere. But I mean, having the matching set, you can't go wrong. There's also a combo if you buy the backpack together with the packing cubes. Yes, you can buy it together and it makes it even cheaper. That being said, like, I mean, the quality is amazing. It looks good. It's lightweight. Could you possibly ask for more? I can't. So I just wanted to say a big thank you for tomtoc, not only for making awesome travel products that make traveling so much easier, but also for sponsoring this video. That being said though, they did not tell me at all what to say, and I would have told you if I hated everything. And I mean, it's quite the opposite. I love everything. And that's just my honest opinion. And I mean, again, I have traveled the world with my previous tomtoc backpack. And I think this one, or probably the bigger one, because I'm hoping for big gifts from my family. So I will probably use this one in addition with those awesome packing cubes. And I'm all set for my Christmas trip. And that being said, yes, I'm aware it's still a long time until Christmas. But I mean, it is winter here in Australia now. It's raining and it's cold. So I feel like Christmas is just around the corner. It's not, but then again, it's never too early to be well prepared for your next trip. Again, I have my free one-bag formula guide down there in the description. And of course, also my brand new interactive travel planner. So check it out, have a look, see if you like it. I think you will. But that's just my humble opinion. Alrighty, you guys, I will see you in my next video, which will be solo travel tips, because I love solo traveling. And I will be sharing my advice, my tips and pros and cons of solo traveling. So that's all coming up in my next video. So please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, so that you don't miss out. Give this video a like if you found it interesting, if you learned something. And again, a big thank you to tomtoc. I absolutely love your backpacks and my sling bag. But I think the packing cubes are probably my absolute favorite now. Safe travels, and I see you in my next video. Bye!